Question 1. The mass of a body which is equal to the ratio of the force acting on a body to the acceleration produced in the body is: A. The gravitational mass. B. The electromagnetic mass. C. The internal mass. D. The inertial mass. Question 2. A spherical ball of mass 10 to 6 kilograms hits a wall 1000 times per second normally with a velocity of 1000 m/s and rebounds with same velocity along the initial direction. The force experienced by the wall is: A. 1 n. B. 4 n. C. 2 n. D. 8 n. Question 3. The force required to produce an acceleration of 2 m/s superscript 2 on a mass of 2 kilograms is: A. 4 n. B. 10 n. C. 22 n. D. 18 n. Question 4. A machine gun fires a bullet of mass 40 g with a velocity of 1200 ms1. The man holding it can exert a maximum force on 144 n on the gun. How many bullets can he fire per second at the most? A. 1. B. 4. C. 2. D. 3. Question 5. A passenger in a moving bus is thrown forward when the bus is suddenly stopped. This is explained: A. By Newton's first law. B. By Newton's second law. C. By Newton's third law. D. By the principle of conservation of momentum. Question 6. A passenger sitting in a bus moving at uniform speed feels pushed backward whenever the bus is accelerated forward. This type of force is called: A. Gravitational force. B. Real force. C. Fictitious force or pseudo force. D. Frictional force. Question 7. A body of mass 5 kilograms is traveling with a uniform velocity of 2 m/s. Its momentum is: A. 10 kilograms m/s. B. 7 kilograms m/s. C. 2.5 kg m/s. D. 3 kilograms m/s. Question 8. Inside the nucleus, two protons are held together by a force which overcomes the repulsion. This force is called: A. Gravitational force. B. Electrostatic force. C. Weak force. D. Strong force. Question 9. A block of wood is placed on a surface. A force is applied parallel to the surface to move the body. The frictional force developed acts: A. Normal to the surface upwards. B. Normal to the surface downwards. C. Along the direction of the applied force. D. Opposite to the direction of the applied force. Question 10. A bullet of mass 25 g moving with a velocity of 200 cm/s is stopped within 5 cm of the target. The average resistance offered by the target is A. 1 N, B. 2 N, C. 3 N, D. 4 N. Question 11. The mass of a body is 2 kilograms. Its weight is A. 19.6 N, B. 20 N, C. 30 N, D. 40 N. Question 12. A body is sliding down a rough inclined plane which makes an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. If the coefficient of friction is 0.26, the acceleration in m/s superscript 2 is A. 1.95, B. 2.78, C. 3.47, D. 4.6. Question 13. A gun of mass 1000 kilograms fires a projectile of mass 1 kilogram with a horizontal velocity of 100 m/s. The velocity of recoil of the gun in the horizontal direction is A. 5 m/s, B. 0.1 m/s, C. 15 m/s, D. 20 m/s. Question 14. A block of wood is placed on a surface. A force is applied parallel to the surface to move the body. The frictional force developed acts A. Normal to the surface upwards, B. Normal to the surface downwards, C. Along the direction of the applied force, D. Opposite to the direction of the applied force. Question 16. A particle of mass 0.3 kilograms is subjected to a force F equals kx with k equals 15 n/m. What will be its initial acceleration if it is released from a point 20 centimeters away from the origin? A. 15 m/s superscript 2, B. 3 m/s superscript 2, C. 10 m/s superscript 2, D. 5 m/s superscript 2.